Cold, cold world. Yeah. Let me take y'all back, man.
Hey everyone, Dominique back with another video. As you can see by the title, this will be a 4th of July inspired makeup look. So you're into it, continue watching. If you have the little cookout to go to, the little party, shoot some fireworks, just want to be very festive and celebrate in your own way with your amazing eyes, be sure to continue watching this video, and I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into the video. Before I get started, just to keep it short and sweet, the palettes I will be using today is the Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, my Nicka K 32 colors, and my Nicka K 25 colors palette. Those are only 3 palettes that I'll be using today, with the red, white, and blues, and any other color that I will put within the look. Also, I think that's it. Just to get that out the way, those are the palettes that I'll be using for them colors. So let's get into it. Blend. So the look is done. Turning it down, and I hope you guys love it, because I do. So quick detail about what did I do to achieve. Basically a halo. Basically you're doing a T on your eye, on your eyelid right in the middle. That's what I did. So I took red. I took the color fire from the Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, Nature palette for the transition, and then I believe I took heat for the two. Before I put the a silver color, basically white color in the middle, and made a T. And then blended that out on the edges so it won't be a harsh demarcation line. And I just, of course, took a very shimmer blue on the lower lash line. And pretty much that's it. Just, what is that, 4 colors, red or any type of red, white, and blue that you have. I used a shimmer red, different, you can see the different red shades that I have, so it can pop more. But that's about it, you know, just a halo, you know. Got the highlight on, and now for the lip. I want to do a nude, I mean not a nude, but you know, a gloss. But however, I do have the color Crush by Shop Miss A. If it will come out, voila. And I'm going to use that for my lip for today. Alright, I'm not going to line or anything. I do have some highlight on the cupid's bow, but yep, and that's how that's look. Ooh, and this smells so good. It smells like cherry, like a cherry cola. I don't know. And it's, whoa, matte. And so they're Wonder Matte liquid lipsticks. Yeah, I'm not gonna hurt too much because I don't want it to popping. Okay, maybe I do want it a little bit too popping, you know. Yep. Make sure you get this shape around it. Good. Okay. I would be dramatic and put a blue, put red, white, and blue on the lips, but that's a little bit too much. We're trying to go, you know. Well, you can do that if you want to. You can always modify how you want this look to be, your lips, or whatever the case. Just a red lip, just a red simple lip. Scrunchy, where did you go? Aha. The highlight is a MAC called Macaron. It's by Shop Miss A. This was also $1. Very popping. Oh Lord, disregard my hair. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with it. But like I said, you guys, it was pretty easy and simple. I just wanted to make sure you guys understood what I did with the eyes. A halo, you know, placing a white in the middle, making it look like a T. Just an uppercase T, make it more simple to, easier to explain. And then put the color on each inner corner and outer corner of the eye, and make sure you blend it so it looks very ombre-ish, not so harsh. And then the blue at the end, I mean the bottom. And that's it. I hope you guys choose this look to do for your 4th of July. Any details that I'm leaving out? Looks really nice. Really nice. Anyways, you guys, I really hope you guys did enjoy this 4th of July inspired look, and I hope you guys use it. If so, please tag me on Instagram. It is in the beginning of my video, but I will share it again now, which is OOMOD. That is Damo, spelled backwards with 2 O's. OOMOD. And also my Snapchat is Damokins. Let's see what else. Please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and also you click the bell to make sure you know when I'm updating. I upload every Monday. Sometimes I do a surprise pop-up, maybe on a Sunday or something, but I do still do upload Mondays for me. So yeah. Close up. This is my good side, as you can tell. This side, this is my good side. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking with me. And I hope you guys enjoy your July 4th. And this will be up in a couple of days before July 4th. So, you know, you have a look. Thank you so much. Dominique out.